Hello everyone, welcome to Mzansi's Finest Videos. My name is Davis Mohomo. Guys, please like already, comment and share. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
Strupa! Batho ba Modimo.
Menjik.
E ke le bone fela ntho tse re di practice-ang re le hae. Se bile re tseba mehlolo. A government a re fe mosebetsi straight. Hobane jwale ha se re tseba ho etsa tje. Re tla be se re qeteletse ho tseba ho etsa dibomo. Be re boma lefatshe kaofela.
Why? Parents be like,
Batho mana o sa nna W a o batho nna re tla gae makwa a sa padele batho ba be makwana ga tšhelete man o tlile di orla ba re tlhokofetse di orla wena ba botho wa rra se o tlile wena bana ya ba no ba batho ba di W di patše ko taxi wena ma wena man ro mmolo gange monna le no so papa bana so sala ile ke mo founela ke re ya di pampas are next banna ba
The problem with a lot of y'all niggas is y'all think you can play the game the way that they do. You're not on the same frequency. She will lie to you so good, you will forget you knew the truth.
How? Sepang, right?
Amara sana mina ngithandanga
Mara sithanda sami sengenzeni manje.
maka wena why uzongithathisa phambi kweclass lonke
Mara uyahlanya nawe. Ungabhala ukuthi 1 + 8 is equal to 13 ngenzeni mina? Umdala kanje ungabhala into enjalo mara.
ase, nomntwana.
Makwo Jack ek vra jou nou mooi nê Andrea
Late.
Yolandi Makwo Jack Maxi ek is nou hier so Makwo Jack asseblief
Seker
ek
vir
vra jou nou mooi nou nê
Ke le kopa sentle.
Yabona bafethu umfana mangabe kuthanda ngempela umbona ngokuthi akucele ukuthi umthathele loan.
And you can't be evil
True.
and then choose to be a teacher. Aikonahal. Awana mmereko ka uira like o bereka ka mtlasa train o go train ka mtlasa or o ntse ba do debate or forensic example. Like I make sense. Aikonahal. Choose a career. What gives you not problem? Choose a career.
I wanna see the postang bare love of my life. Got a screenshot as a post to EO. Kasi printa mo skipin. Kasama ke sapara.
Dream on, brother.
Most people, when someone has wronged them, you want an apology, and which I don't take offense in it, but you want an apology, you want the person to like explain why they did that to you. Me, I'm a different type of person, I'm a different type of breed. Don't send me any paragraph of an apology. Send me food. Only. Don't send me anything else. Food. People, buy me food. Buy me KFC. Buy me Crushers. You see Crushers? Buy me Crushers. I want it. That's what I want. I don't want no paragraph. No, keep that to yourself. You see food? Food. Give me food. Before.
Thank you.
Oh.
Mira lang.
15 rand.
Yeah.
Bia.
There was a discount on the
Discount or credit.
Boss wa kantsha zaga ka boss wa.
Kena eh.
Boss wa kantsha zaga ka boss wa. Boss wa kantsha zaga ka boss wa.
Maybe like they
E mana re khaso sa nguve. Re khaso sa nguve. Re mo re puerte no. Agena medical aid.
So far.
Agena medical aid no. Agena lo petrolo.
Yazi mfowethu amantombazana ayiphilela kamnandi kanjani amantombazana ngishezo shutha isithombe ayacabuzana amantombazana ayalala ehagene ethi ayakhaglish yonke into yayo uya-understandeka yona mayenzeka kuwo mina ngitshela ngathi umkhosi yazi thina ngisho ngathi wakushona umzali wakho manje uyakhala sizokududuza ngaleso sikhathi makusenzeka kodwa kumele uhlale wazi ukuthi leyo nto isazovuka zisazoyivusa insizwe izovusa ushabalala avela athi yodwa nayo intwana avele yakhala enze ngathi uyamkhuza mina enhle behleke bowuthuka nje uhleke wonke umkhosi wenziwe isilima mfowethu lento yakho uqaqwe ngayo mfowethu utsho mina ngisho nilele nongithuka embedeni uyezwa kuhlwaniselwana ngeengubo nakhona ukuthi sibuye etshwaleni kuhlwaniselwana ngeengubo ngilale ngamateki ngilale ngigqokile ngicacisa nje ukuthi ngicuphile lana kahle kahle uyezwa ngotshela mfethu ukuthi mina ayikho into evumelekile egengeni ngisho niyigenge nihamba no2 kanje estradini kwathintana izandla nobabili niba nje naloko kubukana ukuthi yisekwenze njani manje
ule weekend ngifuna uba stout please ningadinqandi ndiyiplanile lo
Betsana ka mo ke mangabe pia ka mo. Ai ka ke party ya to you. To you ke man to you ba. Aya bana ku ka ba re. Happy birthday to you. You ga ke party ya to you ka mo.
Ha sha di phone tsa gona da sha di ntse phone ka mo covering ke ka ifena because sure as it's the hell of what fuck gadian ka Kimberley guys as the varm up in ten Jala go fajela say yellow man and look in the
I thought she was singing.
Warm to come Kimberley to Kimberley was warm my sister warm.
She was speaking Tswana.
Sure.
Now she's in Afrikaans.
Motho motse gore o freeling. A re no ke tla go bolela ha ke le free. Maroka ka letse mo dimo ga sofa. Sofa teng eng kha moroto. Ka ntshie green ya masepa e. Wa bona ntshie green ya masepa. Ya mo ka yana mo milling yana. I said
that I can't be with the man who can't slaughter a cow, but let's go deeper.
No, my sister, we're not going deeper, we're going to the kitchen. If you want a man that can slaughter a cow, you have to be able to cook that cow. Don't be out here having double standards for nothing.
But will the
we're not
guy
going deeper, we're going to the kitchen. We're not going deeper into them onions and tomatoes. We're cutting them deep. Get out of this app and go to the kitchen right now. Fast. We're not going deeper. We're going deeper into them pots.
Hello. Sajukule.
Hello.
Hey, banyana bathoma.
Hello.
Bophelo yesempheko. Life is full of ups and downs. Downs and ups. More like my melodies and downs. It's confusing. Their name is literally sun downs, but their logo is a picture of a finger pointing up. Life is multifunctional, like the word Barbie. Sometimes we use it as a fictional character known to men as Barbie girl. Other times we use it as Barbie, like Papalazi. So a wise man calls it Barbie Chronicles.
King. Oh, no, boy. It just had to run the right moment. Did your lesson reach a climax a poetry? Read the room, man.
Like sand in the hourglass, so is the days of our lives.
Kuzofanele niyeke lento ukuthi ngiqela
mahayise
amacanda ngiceda kufika.
Why?
Ngoba lamagama niyakwazi ukwasho. Kuukuthi nilifaka la ungafanele ingene khona. Ngiyacela, hayi ukuthi ngiyaqela. Amaqanda, hayi ukuthi amaqanda. Nisiyeke nina siyazama asifani nani nina anifuna ukukhulunywa amanye ama languages. Asifuni verse. Hayi ukuthi asikwazi. Asifuni. Yabo? Pause ukwenzani? Okay, ngoba ke ngiyakubona ufuna ukulwa. Mhlambo. Uthoderana. Uzongishapa ma. Na? Ihlali lithomtsaha wawufela. Lihle mo udula ngiteki. Inhlongo shapa. Inhlongo fuma. Anchawe mono mina. Nwanuna mina. Anchawe mono fama iminenga yayena.
Yeah.
Nwanuna na mina. Yeah.
Because of it.
Must tell intombi. Ihamba lapha sibe sidudla intombi. Ita anisikoti kubulabula Zulu mina. Oh, awusikoti kubulabula Zulu. Imakayi. Anisikoti nje anisitibi isiZulu. Okay. Nami nifike tola John. Anitibi munla. Anikombele kwamngani wawe. Unibonisa John inkwayo.
Wow.
Anginike inamba. Mayiqeda unginike inamba nje. Ngiyamtshela ulala ke sisi. lento ebengiyikhuluma ukuze ngithole inamba yakho ngigcine kuyikhuluma ngiyophinde futhi ungizwe ngoba lapha ngisebenzela ukuthi uma mina nawe sesineyingane zingalinge zikhulumele ulimi lwakho yeah phela ikwamhayise la wena uzogana kamhayise yabo akufani ukuthi uzolazi kancane ulimi lwakho ngoba vele uzomthethisa yabo
dictator
yeah kodwa ke every day uzokhuluma isiZulu la yeah hayi nina nisiyeke lezi zinto ezingafundile lezi sena sithuka phela manje sibuyela la empini
sizokushaya
yeah
sizokushaya
yeah every day phela sibizi la thina sibizi yabo lezi baba sebasikhuluma isiZulu kwenye indawo le ezambe sebasikhuluma isiZulu kwenye indawo babe ngathandi na shike sasuka la sahamba nale ndoda le qhuta amakhizane safika khona le sakhuluma isiZulu abangasikhulumi bayasikhuluma sebekhaya
bayashawa
asifuni ukuzofika lapha asifuni ukuzofika lapha wena nje wazi ukuthi siyakwazi ukukhuluma ezinye izilimi ukuthi asithandi asithandi ngani ngiyacaca indaba bangacaci sondela la ngona ngizokunika udress la ngaphansi uze la sizoxoxa yeah ayixoxa sizoxoxa shit
I don't want to chill with you guys. I don't want to sit around smoking happily, drinking the whole day, not doing anything. My future kids are waiting for me. Bro, I want to be a cool dad.
They're gonna speak Zulu.
I want to be a cool dad. You understand? These can wait, man. Entertainment can wait.
Oh, okay. Guys, thanks for making it this far. And please like, comment, and share. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Azish.
Sengiqabayela umama ohlolayo la. Yazi bese nje ngiqale kahle. Bekithi ngiyoyihlolela. Yabona lento ukugwaya okuhlaza futhi hey. Ngiyohlola ngasale sengithazini ngoba vele sengila kumakhosi. Vele umuntu obonayo. Bengizodlula eclinic ngisale sengichecka noshukela oTB. Ngathi akasale sengicheckela. Kwangathi azizwani kahle. Cha, ngangafuna futhi nami ukuthi sixabane. Cha ngabe phela sengikwenza overtime. Sengicheckisa nezinye izinto. Cha ngithe nje angicheck HIV yonke le into engacheckwa naloko kunye. Useyangitshela inkinga cha la kuvela ubani ufuna ungibathiswa kanje. Ngokukhulu nganaki nami ngicaphela kambathe. Uthi no kuzomela kwenziwe umsebenzi nani. Ngithi mfethu inkomo ihlanganaphi nokuthi akambathe mfethu. Wazi uyilahleke phi umakhosi la singazwananga khona. Uzongitshela mfethu ngenyi uncle yami mfethu eyayibhemela ama drugs yabona nje mfethu. Yabona ke mfethu sengitshela ngeuncle ukuthi ifuna inyama ilambile. Ngizomela siyenze umsebenzi wenkomo ngoba angazi kwa yabona nje izitori yayi firstborn kanjani. Uyilahle lapho ke. Ngithi mina usobani usibu muphi uyangichazela cha lo kanje ngithi usibu uyazi makhosi washona engasebenzi uthi uyayezwa kodwa udinga umsebenzi ngithi no akakwazi malume usibu kuzofuna umsebenzi engasekho umuntu ongakaze esebenze esala emhlabeni umalume usibu washona ezisebenzi hayi kodwa uthwa esebenza akazongihlupha mina ngithe nje ngisuka kumakhosi ngaye emsamo ngashisa impepho bangixole ngicela ekhaya cela ngixole ngifuna ukukhuluma noSibu ngazehlisa emsama ngazi noma bengizwakala yini kodwa ngathi nje ngiyayicelela abantu abadala ngicela ningiboleke nje uMabura ukunika ubani uSibu ngempela ukuthi nje ngineyinkinga engaka cha uzonginamathela wena ufuna inyama ufuna inkomo wena ukazi uthenga ibrayi pack usaphila yazona besangcoba ngolesine bethi insuku engajwayele kuzona insuku zemngcwabo indlela kaxakekwe ngayo cha awupolice maseko uzongifuna inyama angazi ngidinwe kanje ngithe yazi ngokukhombisa ke mfana wami yazi mfethu angazi ngcobe kuya interactwa lapha because umuntu ungakwazi ukumtshela angisho ukuthi angifune answer ngoba lezi zinto ziyingozi kodwa nje bengidown umuntu oshone ebhemi ungabakwethu mengabe ebuya akabuye simthengele unga yakhe sivuvuzela ihunga ungalode sihlupha ungasifundi nje ha nayi imhlola bo angikhokhanga ngisukukhoka lapha mthe kwayiwena ke makhosi ya ungisho senginenkinga kwayena umakhosi ngathi asisekho right